Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today I am going to continue the another algorithm, that is single shot detector, that is object detection using SSD, part number 2. Generally object detection means that means for detect the object in the image with the location. That is the meaning of object detection. And single shot detector, as the name implies, it always use the single network, and every object it will use the for determine or identify the object in the image. It will use 8732 predictions, like that only. Let's understand with the example now. Here now we are going to take in the image that consists of a mobile and laptop. So if you take this and how we to understand and train and predict the image, like you can say means here this is the ground truth mobile marked by ground. So green color, that is the ground truth, and here the laptop is marked by orange color, that is the ground truth, and this maroon shape the predictions. uh, and SSD always is single network and use n number of boundary boxes. Why it always use the n number of boundary boxes? Because this boundary box, because of this one, the boundary boxes, it will get the better coverage for and location. That means identify the object with or item the image with location. That is the one we are getting with the help of this one. And and the convolutions, here the convolutions applicable for check and predict the multiple boxes. Even the boxes having different ratios, like that. So single shot detection algorithm very helpful to identify the object in the image with location very easily. And here how it will predict means with the help of overlap, that is intersection overlap union, and the IOU level should be more than 50%. That means how means it see the example here. If you go and predict means how train and update means here ground truth is there, and once you check the IOU level, the IOU level greater than 50 means we can identify the object very easily. Let's assume that here, if you consider this training, here the maroon color shows the IOU level more than 50% and predict the object in the image very easily. This is about single shot detection algorithm. After some days, we will see the implementation. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.